Hello, welcome. Hopefully everything's going good your first full week of virtual school. A couple things I wanted to talk about. And first thing is the learning path. I don't know if any of you have been exposed to the learning path before, but basically what it is, you're going to do one item, usually a video or instructions. Then I have a little practice worksheet for you to do. You're going to submit that to me. I would prefer that you take a picture of your work and just submit it through It's Learning. And after that, I want you to take a look at your work. I have an answer key with the problems worked out. Circle the ones you may have a problem with, because I am going to have a help session this Thursday. I will post the hours on It's Learning for you. And you could join me virtually. I'll have it for about an hour, hour and a half. If you can't make the help session, I will record it. The best way to reach me, it seems to be It's Learning. You guys are doing a good job. Just that little message. Just send me a message on It's Learning. They pop up. I also have it on my phone, so I'm going to try to get back to you guys as soon as I can. Hopefully I've been doing a good job with that. One other thing is we're going to have a quiz next week, and I will post the day of the quiz on It's Learning for you. Okay, again, any questions or issues as you're going through the work, please feel free to reach out to me on It's Learning, and it's going to be a pleasure this year working with you guys. Thank you.